Today, I'd like to introduce the steps of how to make this lovely bird. At the very beginning, be well prepared with 4 different colors of knitting wool, cardboard, and scissors. First and foremost, we calculate the length of thread with cardboard, which will be winded 20 times the red thread. Then turn it over, winding by yellow thread for 20 times. The next step is to cut down the threads being winded and make them crisscross. Using the combination of white and brown thread to surround the cardboard 10 times, and then cut it off. After that, cross the first 2 threads with white brown thread once again, wrapping a paper feather within it. Of course, elastic band is necessary for holding it and separate the body and tail. The final step is to put the claw made from iron wire, mouth and eyes made from foam onto the previous finishing. Then, the prototype of bird has been done, and we can decorate our home with these lovely birds too. Thank you.